Hello, welcome to the presentation for our company, and we're excited to launch it and get many investors out there interested in it as well. I'd like to start off here. The company name that we came up with was All Around Quick Services. With that being said, we're there for you at any time of need. We're there for the customers at any time of the need. This was a business idea that I've had and we've done over the last 4 weeks, and kind of like to go through, show you some graphs, pictures, and different other statistics and points in order to show you a little bit about us. Okay, so our service, we're a very unique service. What we do is for the customers out there. We love the customers, and the customers, they love us as well. We try and not only do our work in a fast and unique manner, but in a manner that the customers will love it. It's convenient for them. Not only will we travel to their home, but we will also go to their work, to the park, wherever they may be at for that hour or hour and a half or so, however long it, depending on the car size and project. The price, that is the best part. With our company, the price will be any other price out there. We actually do price match as well. We run promotions. There's all sorts of things that we've tested and trialed, and I know that the price is one thing that customers will love, and we do it all. We do from shining to underbait to engine detail to someone maybe just got back from camping. We'll take their car and do a full interior and exterior detail for them. So that's a little bit, we are unique. And some proof, these are just examples of kind of what we do. We'll even go to the point where we'll shine and polish the car. We get in, not only just do a quick wipe down, but we do a thorough sweep down with the vents, because that's where the air comes out. It gets dusty in there. And the little tiny crevices, crests, that's where we focus on. Wheel detailing, making sure those wheels look nice and nice and shiny for you. And that way you can display, the customers, they can display their cars brand new. They'll want to use us consistently after using us one time. Just some numbers to kind of back us up. We are the first week we had right around 5 customers or so, and that's pretty good for 1 week. And this is, keep in mind, this is not a full-time active pursuit. This is something kind of on the side that's been launching. Week 2, it's almost doubled up to 10. Following that, we gained a couple more, and then week 4 is when we had a little more time to focus on it, and it just launched. So the customers, how they love, it looks like they love to use our services when they're at home. It's more convenient for them instead of having to, go somewhere or do a specific location, meet them somewhere. And it just saves them time where you have to worry about what rides there and back. Our success, we've had over 1,450 profit in the first 4 weeks. That's a low cost is what we are, so that's how we're able to profit so much. And the materials for what we use, it is high quality materials, but we do find specials off of the internet and so forth, and we can just, the more money we have to invest in this, and why it would be a good reason for you is because of that reason. We can then buy in bulk, save us even more. Quick, easy, and fun for our employees to do the detailing, and the service that's enjoyable for our customers if they like to watch. And then why choose us? Why, and what some things we'd like to change is we'd like to have more employees doing that labor. That way I can focus more, the owner a little more on the company in the whole. Better advertisement we'd like to do. It is a very low cost. Like I mentioned, $20 is what we started with, and we can expand to many colleges and highly populated business areas very easily with a low cost investment for the car and supplies, and potential profit is huge. So again, this is just a little bit about us. I'd love to to have you send me a message, email, follow us our link if you'd like to learn a little bit more about our investment opportunities right here. And it was great discussing briefly with you about the company, and I hope you have a wonderful day.